All right guys, so we decided to take a little cruise and take the G35 out after we installed the coilovers and the exhaust, and also on the 370Z I put a new clutch in there, and it's got a full catback exhaust as well. So we decided to take a little cruise, see how they drive. The Z is performing really nice. The clutch, it's a little stiff, but it's pretty nice. It's supposed to be stiff, you know, it's an upgraded clutch from Z1. We got the full catback exhaust. It sounds nice and deep. It doesn't sound raspy or anything. Chris's car right here. And of course we went the full catback exhaust, and we did the lowering springs. Well, we did the coilovers, I'm sorry. So it turned out pretty good. Both projects turned out really good. I still have a lot of parts at home waiting on the Z, waiting to install on the Z. I have a lot of stuff. I got the front skid plate, cameras, some other things I'm going to be 3D printing actually. I have a lot to do on that Z. We also have a lot to do on this G35. We're thinking about single turbo, and we're going to do a compression test just to make sure it's healthy before we do that, you know. That's always important.